Do you want to change your Facebook page username? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. For changing your Facebook username, you will need to go to Setting and Privacy from your Facebook account. Then in search bar, search for username. At the first, you will get name. Tap on it. On this window, tap on username. Here you will able to change your username. However, if you are getting any trouble changing your page username, visit our guide, link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.